Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over a Tesla stock split update. So this article was released this morning at about 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. So we're going to take a look as Elon Musk keeps investors in the dark about Tesla's stock split plans after missing the SEC deadline. We're also going to talk about when the annual shareholder meeting is, which is very important as well. Then we'll take a look at the charts and see what they're telling us here. So it goes and says, Tesla left its devoted following of retail investors in the lurch over plans of an upcoming stock split after missing a key regulatory deadline. In late March, the company said its board would seek a shareholder approval for its second split in 2 years, but stopped short of providing the concrete ratio. Instead, it promised additional details would be provided as part of its definitive proxy statement, essentially the agenda for an upcoming annual meeting. The SEC's required time limit for filing, however, expired over the weekend, forcing Tesla to warn it would need an extension. Since we currently expect that our definitive proxy statement for the 2022 annual meeting of stockholders will be filed later than the 120th day after the end of the last fiscal year, it said in an updated regulatory filing made public on Monday. Gary Black tweeted, whoever this guy is, Tesla has filed a 10-K/A this morning that it will delay its filing in 2022 of its proxy statement past 120-day deadline from year end, which would have been today. So any stock split will be delayed. Okay. It's coming so soon on the heels of Elon Musk's $44 billion Twitter bid. The delay reignites an ongoing debate as to whether Musk may be overextending himself. Apart from retweeting Tesla's official announcement that AGM will take place on August the 4th. So there's your annual shareholder meeting there, August the 4th. Okay. The workaholic CEO has focused his recent social media postings on the broader political fallout of his high-profile takeover. A Reuters report from Monday, citing informed sources, suggests Musk is currently in negotiations with large investment firms and high net worth individuals about taking on more financing for his Twitter deal in order to tie up less of his personal wealth. Last week, he sold roughly 9.64 million shares, worth around $8.5 billion, to help fund his plans for the social media platform. Then it goes on to say no direct effect. Details on the stock split, which does nothing but optically lower the price of each share, is key for many because Tesla is beloved chiefly among retail investors. Vanda Research named it as one of the top 10 favorites of small shareholders alongside Apple, NIO, Palantir, and AMC Entertainment. So we're going to take a look now at the charts, but something to kind of keep an eye on and keep on your calendar. August the 4th, okay, August the 4th, that's the annual shareholder meeting. So prior to that, they should release some type of proxy statement saying we want to propose the stock split is going to be X to X, whatever, like 20 to 1, 5 to 1, 10 to 1, 4 to 1, something like that. Okay, that way people can have an idea of what's to come and what you're going to vote on. Okay, now how are you going to receive those proxy statements? Depending on what you have through your brokerage account, your firm, you may receive them strictly electronically, which will be through email, or you may also get a hard copy in the mail asking you to vote. But the easiest way to do it is to do it through email. You can click on a link and you can go and vote on all the other things, because it's probably not just going to be the stock split that's up for voting. There'll be some other things that shareholders will have to vote on as well. But my thing is the proxy statement. Once they release that proxy statement and it's out to the public, the legit proxy statement, not the one that was shared on our latest video, because we don't know obviously if that's legit or not. Obviously if they haven't released it yet, then we don't know if that's going to be what the stock split will be. So you want to wait on Tesla to release their actual proxy statement, and then from there you can, depending on how good it is, you could expect, in my opinion, some type of positive move to the upside on Tesla at that point. And that's what I'm watching very, very closely. As soon as they release that, what's the stock split going to be that we're going to vote on, and then kind of go from there. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. Okay, guys, taking a look at Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. We got a nice little push up yesterday from like somewhere in the 850s all the way up to about 925. volume's fair, nothing to be overly excited about. So this could just be kind of a false breakout. If we don't get above about 940 to 950, I can see us moving back down and retesting that 878 level, maybe even go a little bit further down than that. Overall, I think the markets are still kind of acting a little sketchy at this point and selling off. We did get a buy signal all the way here at the bottom of the fib level for this particular time period. This 180-day 4-hour time period. We did hit the bottom, and it looks like we're going to push back up, but you want to see if we can get above about 4,300 and hold. If we can't, then there's potential we could go a little bit lower. However, tomorrow's highly anticipated Fed meeting talking about the rate hikes could send temporarily the markets into an upward, more positive move to the upside. So as far as Tesla goes, still swinging it, but I'm trying to see where we're going to bottom out here, and kind of trying to get it to where I can get a good price on it to enter, and wait for that big upward move that we're going to have, because you know it's going to come, because you can see every time that we fall down, we always push back up very aggressive. As you see here, we fell down all the way to, somewhere in the 600s, and then we came back so aggressive all the way to the 1100s. So it'd be really great if we can get get a little bit more selling down here, somewhere, low 800s, upper 700s is where I'll be looking to enter. So let me know your thoughts below, guys. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.